If you play with fire, you'll get burned. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. If you play with fire, you'll get burned. This proverb has been passed down from generation to generation and holds a great deal of wisdom. It means that if we engage in risky or reckless behavior, we are likely to experience negative consequences. In order to apply this lesson to our lives, we must recognize when we are playing with fire. This could mean taking on too much at work or neglecting our physical and emotional health. We may also engage in dangerous habits, such as substance abuse or risky sexual behavior. Once we identify the areas where we are playing with fire, we can take steps to change our behavior and reduce our risk of getting burned. This may mean seeking professional help, setting boundaries, or making healthier choices. By heeding this proverb, we can increase our chances of success and avoid unnecessary setbacks. We can learn to recognize when we are playing with fire and take action to protect ourselves and our well-being. In doing so, we can create a brighter future and achieve our goals with confidence and grace. Remember, if you play with fire, you'll get burned. Playing with fire can have serious consequences. It's important to heed this lesson and recognize our risky behavior before it's too late. By taking action and making healthier choices, we can avoid negative outcomes and achieve success in our personal and professional lives. Remember, if you play with fire, you'll get burned. So be mindful of your actions and make smart choices to protect your well-being. Playing with fire can cause significant harm, both physically and emotionally. It's important to remember that our actions have consequences, and engaging in risky or reckless behavior can lead to serious setbacks in our lives. By taking the time to assess our behaviors and make positive changes, we can reduce our risk of getting burned and increase our opportunities for success. This may mean seeking support from loved ones, practicing self-care, or seeking professional help. Ultimately, the key to avoiding negative outcomes is taking responsibility for our actions and making conscious choices to protect our well-being. Remember, if you play with fire, you'll get burned. So choose wisely and prioritize your safety and success in all aspects of your life. If we continue to play with fire and ignore the potential consequences, we are setting ourselves up for failure. We must remember that our choices have a ripple effect on our lives, and that we have the power to shape our destiny through the actions we take. By making conscious choices, seeking support when needed, and prioritizing our well-being, we can increase our chances of success and avoid unnecessary setbacks. So take heed of this proverb and make the right choices to protect yourself and your future. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.